Good morning, friends. Let's start our lesson number 8 of General Science Pollution. In the last lectures, we have discussed about the air pollution, which pollutants are increase the air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Now we are discussing in this class effect of air pollution on plants and animals. The first one is a depletion in ozone layer on page number 57. We have studied that ozone layer is present below the stratosphere at the height of 48 km from Earth's surface, which protects our Earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays. But now it is depleted because of the following reason, that is the greenhouse effect and global warming. Greenhouse effect means the percentage of carbon dioxide is very less in atmosphere, and it plays very important role in the photosynthesis process. But because it is increased due to the industrialization, again the chlorofluorocarbon, that is the present in the coolant, in air refrigerator and air conditioner. Collectively, these all gases are called as the greenhouse gases. Means nitrous oxide, methane, and carbon dioxide and chlorofluorine gas. Now, look at in the picture. You have seen that global temperature is gradual because of the increase in the carbon dioxide. Global temperature is increasing, and which affect the disturbance in agricultural, disruption of wild animals, icebergs and glaciers are melting, causing increase in sea level, and also it causes acid rain because of oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are released. Look at in the diagram, when the burning of fuel, it release sulfur dioxide, SO2, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and when this oxide react with the water, then it form the nitrous oxides, and this acid mix with raindrops and snowflakes and come down as rain, called as acid rain. Now what is the effect of acid rains? These are, it harms aquatic organism, plants and entire forest life. Again, erosion of building, burst historical monument, bridges, metal idol, wire fences, etc. Again, heavy metals like mercury and cadmium are absorbed up to by plants and thereby enter the food chain indirectly due to acid rain. The fourth effect is due to the acidification of water in water bodies and pipes, leaching of metal. Leaching of metals means metals are mixed in it, and plastic material occurs in water, thereby serious health problem arise. These are the various effects of this depletion in ozone layer. Now, preventive measures of air pollution on page number 58. Thus, smoke emerging from factories contain harmful particles. So, pollution controlling machinery, example, as filter we used, proper disposal of stinking waste generated in cities, control and atomic test chemical weapons, etc., and control the CFC production. That is the preventive measures. Now, second one is the water pollution. Look at in the diagram, the water is coming out from the factories, from the nalas and tunnels. Now, water said be polluted when it become unclean and poisonous due to mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material, when it become harmful to living organism due to decreased oxygen content, because water have also oxygen, H2O, when epidemic diseases are spread through the water. Fresh water or marine water pollution include physical, chemical and biological changes. That which are the water pollutants? That is, the biological pollutants are the viruses, parasites. These are the biological pollutants. Now, sorry, inorganic pollutants are the fine sand, dust, soil, then precipitates of salt, compounds of arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury, traces of radioactive material. These are the inorganic pollutants. Organic pollutants means insecticide, fertilizer, sewage, industrial effluents and weedicides, which are all the agriculture waste and domestic waste. These are the organic pollutants. Now, reasons of water pollution on next page number 59. Here, natural reasons and man-made reasons you are given. That is aquatic weeds, decomposing matter, mud, soil erosion, microbes like fungi and bacteria, algae and nematodes. And here man-made reasons are given. Domestic sewage, industrial effluent, oil spill. Sometime when there is a oil carrying ships are, and they when form in the leakage problems, then the oil is spoilage in the spillage on the surface of the water. Uses of fertilizer and pesticide. We are normally uses fertilizers and pesticides, chemical fertilizers and pesticides in our fields. So these are very harmful. Other reasons are disposal of human waste, washing of clothes. We are using many types of detergents, soaps, and also decomposing hemp and flax in water, disposal of ashes, floral offerings to God, water from thermal power plant, etc. अगेन इफेक्ट्स ऑफ वाटर पॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ है. ये क्या क्या इफेक्ट्स हो सकता है, रीज़न भी आल्सो एंड इफेक्ट्स भी आल्सो. इफेक्ट्स क्या होता है, वी हैव मेनी प्रॉब्लम लाइक हेपेटाइटिस, थायराइड, टाइफाइड डिसीजेस ऑफ स्किन, एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, elements of liver, kidney, brain, deformities in bones, hypertension. इफेक्ट्स ऑन इकोसिस्टम पे भी होता है, ये तो नॉट इवन ह्यूमन्स के ऊपर. इफेक्ट्स ऑन इकोसिस्टम आल्सो. रिटार्डेड प्लांट ग्रेड, मतलब प्लांट ठीक तरह से बढ़ते नहीं है. लॉस ऑफ प्लांट स्पेसीज. Increase in salt content of water, decrease dissolved oxygen level. So in aquatic ecosystem, here the fishes are die, the whale are die, and it is come to a properties of water. Changes in natural color and taste. Useful aquatic fauna is destroyed. Fauna means plants. Plants is destroyed. Soil fertility is affected. Toxic materials are added to the crop. These are the various effects of water pollution. Now on the next page come to the soil pollution. What is meant by soil erosion? That is the soil erosion means the depletion of soil. कमी होते जाना soil का. That is the soil erosion. What is reason depletion and soil fertility? Reasons for depletion in soil fertility is soil pollution. Now, out of the total land area of the soil, some is covered by ice, some is desert, whereas some is occupied by mountains and hills. Very less area of land is available for human use. Soil is said to be polluted when there are changes in its physical, biological, and chemical properties and its fertility. Decrease due to either natural or man-made reason. This is called as a soil pollution. Now compare these lands. Both lands you can find that photographs. And you have also given some homework that give 5 example of each domestic waste. Biological. Domestic waste means all the garbage which are coming out from our houses. This is a domestic waste. It is the solid, wet, e-waste, again electronic waste. These are all the हमारा domestic waste. Biological waste means बायोलॉजिकल वेस्ट में प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स का वेस्ट है. एग्रीकल्चर वेस्ट एग्रीकल्चर का है. दीज आर इन ओन वर्ड्स एंड सॉल्व ड्यू टू दोज वेस्ट. when agriculture waste we are burned, then also the air pollution. Now effect of soil pollution. Here the soil fertility decreases due to mixing of salty acidic water from industry. Radioactive and other pollutants enter and pass through food chain, and also the soil and crop water human body. Problem of water pollution increased due to soil pollution. Toxic substances leach into water, they mix into the water, and diseases spread through various pathogens. Now, relationship of soil pollution with air and water pollution, how they are interconnected with each other. That is the soil pollution, relationship between these are between them. If wet waste is dumped at wrong places instead of composting, pathogens grow up upon it, which are then mixed with water, causing water pollution. Now again, insecticide, chemical fertilizer, weedicides are used in agriculture, which causes soil pollution. Excessively spread insecticide and weedicides. Insecticide we use for destroy insects, and weedicides, the unwanted crops which grow simultaneously with the similarly excessive use of chemical fertilizer causes water pollution. Now soil pollution occurs due to mixing of human waste, birds and animal waste. Now these releases various stinking gases causing air pollution. Now pollution prevent and control. How we can control this pollution? There are some laws and some rules to control the prevention of this air pollution and water and soil pollution, all types of pollution. Now government of India has enacted some law. First one is the Water Pollution and Prevention Act 1974. Second is Air Pollution Prevention Act 1981 and the Environmental Protection Act 1986. Various laws are enacted for the prevention of these three pollutions. At our local governing bodies like municipalities, district council, panchayat samiti, gram panchayat, etc. They have followed the law about the pollution control. Here student, our lesson is finished and I have given here question answers. Look at here. Again here is also question and answers. Now in our textbook, question number 1, there is a following are some statement about pollution. The answer, these questions are very easy. So I have not given you any answers about that because easily you can identify which pollution is there and which are the answers of that. Okay student. So bye bye and we will meet in the next class.